The hotel management process, a continuous cycle of excellence in hospitality management. The essence of hotel management. Hotel management is a structured process that transforms strategy into results. It requires clear methods, measurable objectives, and continuous adaptation. From planning to evaluation, each phase provides the foundation for the next. Artificial intelligence today plays a key role in optimizing this cycle. The 4 phases of hotel management: planning, evaluation, organizing, controlling. Summary of the 4 phases: planning, business plan, budget, marketing strategy; organizing, organizational model, hotel service, sales office; controlling, management control, product control; evaluating, measuring results and ROI. The role of artificial intelligence, AI, supports hotel management across all phases. In planning, forecasting demand and revenue. In organizing, optimizing workforce and processes. In controlling, analyzing KPIs and detecting anomalies. In evaluating, predicting ROI and guest satisfaction. AI transforms data into strategic insight. The continuous improvement cycle. Planning, continuous improvement cycle. Controlling, evaluating. Back to planning. Key message: hotel management is not a static function, but a living process. Each phase, planning, organizing, controlling, and evaluating, feeds the next, creating a virtuous cycle of learning and improvement. Every cycle represents an opportunity to grow, innovate, and achieve excellence.